Namaste, all divine souls. Wishing you all a very happy International Yoga Day. What is Kriya Yoga Sadhana? What is the purpose of Kriya Yoga Sadhana? Kriya Yoga is a spiritual divine practice. And with that practice, we can purify our mind, body, and soul. We can build a divine connection with Paramatma. It is a union of individual consciousness with the universal consciousness. The word Kri means action, work. Whatever we do, we want to get result. We don't want to do anything without fruitful result. We feel happy, we feel sad, we feel enthusiastic from our work, which is not permanent. All this state of mind is impermanent. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, it is written, Ma Phaleshu Kadachana. We should do our work, but we shouldn't attach with our work. But we all want a fruitful result. So, how can we get that permanent blissful state of mind, that timeless happiness? With the practice of this Uccha Koti Sadhana, the most powerful divine spiritual sadhana is Kriya Yoga Sadhana. And with the practice of Kriya Yoga, we can attain that permanent blissful state of mind, that timeless happiness. The purpose of practicing Kriya Yoga is self-realization, Atma Upalabdhi. And with this spiritual divine practice, one can experience that happiness, calmness, peaceful, blissful state of mind, which is permanent. The sadhak can experience enlightened